Alright guys, so welcome back to the weekly trading recap, and yeah, hope you guys have been well. I've been well, and yeah, look, let's not waste any more time and let's just get into it. Look, I'm currently still in a trade today, Thursday the 9th of April. This is the trade I'm in, and it's just literally edged my stop loss and it's edging my break even, and you know, it's just been one of them days like the whole week. But look, I just want to go back into the whole week, and yeah, let's just have a look at the whole week. Opened up on Monday right here. Those lines are for Monday. I know it's a bit confusing, but eventually I'll get rid of them. Monday opened up. This was the regular trading hours opening range gap, and on Monday I took no trades. So this was Monday, guys. We are on the 5-minute chart now, and market opened up. So this is a 9:30 market open, and then news hit at I believe it was 10 a.m. and yeah, so buy side liquidity was swept, I think twice. So once at market open around here, and then at 10 a.m. news. And the potential entry that I was looking for was, oh my days, the potential entry that I was looking for would have been this. So this area marked down here is the opening range gap from the weekend to Monday. So liquidity sweep and then entry, but that never happened. And the reason why I didn't enter is because I didn't see a break of structure to the downside. You know, this would have been the trade I would have entered 1-to-1 targeting the opening range gap, but that never happened. Instead, we just made a bullish move. We went up, we chopped a little bit, but then eventually, I believe around during the PM session, we did reach the opening range gap. And so you see, the idea was there. It's just that price action did not make it happen until 1 p.m. is it? Yeah, until 1 p.m. So I was not gonna enter. I don't usually trade the PM session, so I only trade the AM session, and there was nothing for me to trade on, so I didn't take an entry. Tuesday I did take an entry, and let's have a look at it. So this is the trade that I took on Tuesday. So initially my bias was bullish, and the entry that I was looking for was liquidity sweep at market open here, reversal, etc. But that never happened. Instead, the trade that I ended up taking was a short. This again, another 1-to-1 hitting these lows right here. So what happened on the day? Okay, so this happened at market open 9:30. Buy side liquidity swept here, and then it made a move down, and I intended to trade, because I was bullish for the day. I intended to trade the sweep that would have potentially happened here, and then obviously reversal, and yeah, but that never happened. So the trade that I ended up taking was a 5-minute reversal into the 5-minute bearish value gap and the order block on the high time frame. And you know, I just waited for extra confirmation, which was a there was a 5-minute gap here that been inversed, and you know, just a confirmation with the break of structure, and eventually I entered, and yeah, hit a 1-to-1. So that was Tuesday's trading. On Wednesday's trading, I didn't really take a trade, so it was just me observing the charts, and the reason is because of the ceasefire news as well. Market just decided to make a massive move following the ceasefire news, and obviously that was not really a good trade for a good day for me to enter a trade. So today, this is a trade that I was on, because it looks like it's just stopped me out at break even, which is fine. You know, I hit TP1, took some profits, but it's just some terrible price action for me to think about doing anything. I mean, let me be honest. So this is today's trading day. Again, buy side liquidity swept. We made a move, a reaction off of that, and then came back into the 5-minute fair value gap, and again I waited for extra confirmation. I usually like to wait. I don't enter on the fair value gap. I enter from extra confirmation, which is a break of structure and then a gap that's been inversed. So I waited for that and I entered, and I hit TP1 and went break even, and I was targeting the Asian session lows right here, which we never came down to, and then potentially the Wednesday lows. So I had, let's just say, 3 TPs, and that obviously, that from the looks of it, that never got hit, and so far it will probably doesn't look like it's gonna get hit, but we'll wait and see. But that's for me for the day, you know, 1 trade on TP1 and break even, and another 1-to-1. So yeah, good trading week, and I'll see you guys next week.